Hi guys, today we are reviewing the Spyderco Starmate, designed by legendary knife maker Bob Terzuola. This particular model has the 3.75 inch VG10 blade with a plain edge finish. It's a satin finish, G10 scales. You have stainless steel back spacers, all Torx head construction. G10 scales. The pocket clip is quad mountable on the forward or aft position, right or left side, for complete ambidexterity. Lockup is via a sturdy liner lock. It's very thin and nice design, a beautiful knife. The blade thickness on this, the spine is very thick, very strong blade. Beautiful finish. It's got jimping on the thumb ramp for a good purchase. In the forward or the reverse grip, feels great. Razor sharp cutting edge on this. The overall length measures 8.7 inches. Blade length 3.75. Blade material is VG10 stainless. Liner lock mechanism. Closed length measures 4.95 inches. Handle material, black G10. It weighs in at 4.9 ounces and it's made in Japan. This is an excellent knife to add to your collection for EDC carry. Very capable, do-it-all knife. Give you many years of cutting use. Available at OsoGrandeKnives.com. And we thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.